Hi there. Welcome to the third lesson of our Speak Easy course. In the previous lesson, we started to talk about vocabulary and discussed the sounds represented by the letter A in English, focusing on the sound. In this lesson, we will take a look at examples of the exercises we suggested in Lesson 2, explore two words and some expressions that use them. Like and let. Let's begin with the A sound. Did you think of words with this sound? If you didn't, you can do it now. Just pause the video and do the exercise before you continue. Here it is again for us to remember. 1. Think of words with the sound. 2. Use the phonemic translator to check if you are correct. 3. Use the talking dictionary to hear the words out loud. 4. Practice saying the words. 5. Practice saying the target sound. So, let's think of 5 words. Bank, can, hat, catch, and bag. Let's check to see if we got the right sound. Perfect. Let's check what the words sound like with a talking dictionary. You can use the phonemic translator, but we think that how you say sounds better, and you can also find common uses of the words you are looking for. You can use any other talking dictionary, like Cambridge English Pronouncing Dictionary or Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary, for example. They both give British and American pronunciation. Now let's practice saying the words. Listen and repeat. Bank, can, hat, catch, bag. Now let's practice just the sound. Listen and repeat. How about the second exercise? Research how to use the words in our vocabulary list. The first one is general. You can just Google the words or something like how to use the word in a sentence or use a dictionary. We don't have to understand all uses of the words, but it is good to try to understand the most common ones. You can find a link to Cambridge Dictionary in the description of this video. Let's see how it works. Okay. We open the page and type our first word. General. Check it out. We have many examples of how to use the word. We also have expressions like in general, which means usually or in most situations. If we scroll down, we see more meanings and different expressions, and that general can also be a noun, meaning a high title in the army. If we do the same with other words, we will learn more vocabulary, more expressions, and improve our use of the language bit by bit. Easy. And speaking of vocabulary, let's talk about like and let. You saw that we used these words many times in our course. We did this because they are very useful and because we wanted to highlight them. So, do you know what like means? Let's see. I like chocolate. I am tall like my brother. The first like means we think it is good, or we feel good when we have or experience something. For example, I like swimming. The second like means similar, not the same, but not very different. I am like you means I have things in common with you, or I feel the same way you feel about something. Some useful expressions with the word like I say, or like someone says. Something like that. There is nothing like. Feel or don't feel like. It is not like. Okay. How about let? The closest meaning is probably allow or permit, but we use it a lot in the expression let us, which we shorten to let's and use to call for action. When we say let's, we are saying that we want or need to do something and we are inviting the other person or people to do it with us. For example, let's dance means come and dance with me. Other useful expressions with let it go. Let someone know. Let's say. Let's see. Let it slide. Exercise. For next week, think of 5 or more words with the sound
A,
as in maybe and repeat what you did with the
A,
sound. Then research how to use the words you chose. Research how to use the expressions we saw with the words like and let. That's it. Easy. Subscribe to the channel and watch this space.